Most people don't realise this, but by the time properties hit realestate.com.au, the best ones are gone. Buyers are choosing the leftovers, not the opportunities. You see, buying what's left over, competing with the public, missing release opportunities, overpaying without realising it, and choosing the wrong apartments in the same building is something I see happen over and over again. Off-market means they're not advertised publicly, these investment opportunities. A small group of investors and property purchasers get access first. So there's no competition frenzy. You actually get better decision-making environments to be able to weigh up all of the angles. But not all off-market deals are good. Some are overpriced, some are poor quality. Access alone is not all that it takes for a good deal. This is where most people get caught. See, I'm not here to sell property. I'm here to educate and to guide. Being real with you, I'm semi-retired, but retirement's highly overrated. So I help clients understand what's happening and then let them decide with clarity. If you want to get an idea of how I determine quality properties, I use a criteria I've been using developing since I was 19 and I bought my first property. I'll put it into a free consumer guide, and whether you deal with us or with someone else, I really suggest you download it and have a look, because it'll put you in the top 10% of property investors. Alternatively, you can book a discovery call with me. My name's Ian, and I can show you what's available right now. And no pressure, just giving you clarity on the opportunities. You're going to see the opportunities that other people miss. You'll get to make smarter decisions on your purchases and avoid costly mistakes, so you can be confident with what you're purchasing. When you go through those criteria I've got in the Consumer Awareness Guide, it shows you how we filter out poor investments and focus on location fundamentals. Things like walkability, rental demand, supply versus demand, and only present to you developments that I would personally buy myself. In fact, I usually do. So the key things that you'll enjoy if you care to reach out to me is you're going to get better selection, not just leftovers. Potential better pricing. Often you can secure them 20 or 30% below what the general market will end up paying for these apartments or townhouses, whatever. There's less competition. I really am cautious with the developers that I work with. With that being said, if you'd like access to stock before everybody else knows and not get in later than anybody else, if you're a property investor or a downsizer or just browsing and want more information, happy to help. Just have a look down below. Book a call with me, or even just get the Consumer Awareness Guide. Either way, I assure you it'll be one of the best returns on time you've ever had.